Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here, My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to talk about the $25 digital business all in one using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so let's continue on here. Now, as you know, the $25 digital business has a immaculate affiliate system which pays you 80% recurring commissions, which is higher than any other system in the world right now. Personally, I think so. I haven't heard anything better than that. Now you can hear 80% commissions. You might get those, but you'll never hear 80% recurring commissions. The highest they ever get to is like 35 or 30 or somewhere around there. So anyway, let's keep it moving. Very profitable exchange here. As you know, I already gotten 2 sales, which means I'm in the profits every month. We're trying to get more sales using only my lead gen secrets. That's the test today. That's the test we're working with today. I mean this month, for example. I'll probably do it to episode 30, somewhere around 30. Then I'll probably stop. But that's the thing. We got 2 sales with just my lead gen secrets. So let's keep it moving. So we're using my emails now, and they seem to perform a little bit better than all the other emails I've been using here. So we just use this email here. We're gonna keep on going. Right here, deny my flash mode. Basically explaining that, hey, I'm having a hard day today. Didn't really work out. You know what I mean? But, you know, just to kind of conquest against making a lot of money, sometimes you just don't get sales. As y'all know, watching these videos, gotten 2 sales in about 14 days, which is really good with this system because you make $120 a month per sale. But for any other system, that's pretty garbage. But it still works. You know what I mean? So let's keep it moving. I'm gonna get a link here. I'm gonna get our link. Boom. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna replace this email here. E-link. It's the email link here. And just post our link in here. Boom. Just like that. And we're done, I think. Hold up, let me check. Yeah, done. We're gonna send an email. I guess we'll preview it, see if it works. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. All right, send the email. And you send the email. I'm trying to show you guys you can make money like this. It's very easy to do. You just do this every morning. I'm doing it every morning personally, but you can do it whenever you want, whenever point in time of day. I just do mine in the morning so I can get a video out for you guys on the same day. I do mine early in the morning, then let the video pop up later on in the day. So this video, so y'all be updated as frequently as possible, on my situation. All right, so we're gonna since we got multiple accounts, we're gonna open up another tab here. We're gonna go to the next account like this, log in, get our information in for the next account, do the same thing. All right. There we go. Yeah, that's it. All right, so put that in there. Make sure it's the right email, and make sure to replace the link here. Boom, boom. We are done with this email. Just that quick, guys. That's the second account. Just that quick. All we needed to do. All right. Out this one, we're gonna use my emails. I feel like my emails perform better. I've been checking the numbers and they seem to perform better. All right, so we'll go to our Digi Affiliate here, and I gotten sales with my emails before too. So let's see. Let's go to right here. Very eye-catching stuff. Boom. Basically, it's just I only got one email that's like being a little negative, but it's a case of like trying to be realistic. I think realistic experience is probably more solid than like just saying, hey, let's make $1,000 today. Hey, let's make $1,000 tomorrow. Hey, let's make $1,000. Now that works. That works. Don't get me wrong, but being a little bit more realistic sometimes is better. Like, you could believe that, like, $275 a day. That sounds a little unbelievable, but that sounds more believable than like $1,000 a day. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's keep it on like that. And we're gonna send this email as well. We already placed the link, and that's all there is to it, guys. Very that simple. It's very easy, and you see how fast it was to do that. Very fast. So yeah, that's about all there is to it. And like I just want to speak on this one more time here. This program, I want to tell you exactly what you get when you get an affiliate sale on this system, right? So, as far as I know, there are 3 products right now. 1, 2, 3. 3 products. Now the first one is the $25 funnel builder, which is better than ClickFunnels, because it lets you're not limited. If you check the ClickFunnels one, they want $97 for the funnel, and it's very limited. There's a lot of stuff you can't do. You can only have a certain amount of people look at it, which is just weird to me. Not subscribe, look at it. You can't even email, and it's $97. You can't even do, it doesn't even do email automation. If you want email automation on ClickFunnels, it's around $300. That's ridiculous. All right, so there's that. All right, the second product is training that is updated every month. I won't say every month, but every week. Training that's updated every week. They pull people in so you can ask questions, all kinds of stuff. Like, say you want to speak to somebody, and they got a ton of training in there to help people out and try to get people started on making money with this program. Depending on what kind of way you want to try to make money, you use Facebook ads, Google ads, free training, free traffic training, and all of this and that. And depending on the training, they'll go by the person that's teaching you. That's how they do it. They have a lot of people in. They have very professional people, and each type of training is trained by a different person, because that person knows better than another. So it's not all the same person training you. It's the person that's most qualified to train you, who's gotten the most sales using that method. So it's very helpful. It's very helpful. And the third program is to teach you how to handle your taxes as an affiliate, and make sure you're not leaving any write-offs out and stuff like that, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm just giving you the rundown. And the first product is $20. What you receive is $20 per month based on the person. Second product, you get $100 monthly commissions. That's $120 right there for a person. Now the third product is a high ticket commission. They're teaching you about the taxes and stuff, and you can get either $400 or $800. It's the one-time payment though. It depends on when they buy it. If they buy it within 3 days, it only costs $400. But later on, when they want to buy it later, it costs $800. So that's how much money you can make. You can make a ton of money off just one person in the system, and it's not costing them like an arm and a leg to be in the system like other high ticket products. These are things that you need to know how to do if you want to be a big affiliate, and they all help you by promoting this item here. When you start making a lot of money with this product, you might need the other product. You see what I'm saying? So it builds on to help you all the way through your system. All right, that's all I wanted to speak on, guys. I want to show you guys you can make a ton of money. There's a bunch of potential in this product. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell for anything else. Let you guys know when I put up another video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.